Here we are in section 1-2 with the solutions to numbers 10 through 17. Number 10, it says perform the indicated operation, in this case, subtraction. Well, wait, -4, -17, they are both headed in the negative direction. So that is actually addition. 4 plus 17 is 21, all in the negative direction. If you have a debt of $4 and a debt of 17, they add and make more negative. And two negatives don't make a positive in regard to addition subtraction. Number 11, 5 plus 18, that's 23, minus 3 is just 20, good old-fashioned 20. But it's the 3 negative, that means it's a positive 23 and a negative 3, that's subtraction. Number 12, -6 plus a -15. So these are in the same direction. So that's addition, 21. 6 plus 15 is 21, and they're both negative. So that's a -21 plus 12. -21 plus 12, these are opposite signs, so it is subtraction right now. 21 minus 12 is 9, but the -1 wins. So this guy beat up that guy and left 9 left over, and we got -9 minus a -5. And two negatives right next to each other do make a positive because they're actually multiplying. Minus a minus, you are switching directions immediately, so that's +5. So -9 plus 5, they are now opposite signs. So 9 minus 5 is 4, and then the -1 wins. Number 13. -5/9 minus 1/3. Now we've got to get common denominators here, but notice that negative subtraction is actually addition both in the negative direction. So when we do this, times by 3, we get -5/9 minus 3/9. -5 minus 3 is a -8. They're both going in the negative direction, so that is actually an addition problem in the negative direction, which is 9, -8/9. Number 14, -5/7 minus a minus, so that's going to be plus 24.8. So that's a positive 24.8 and a -5.7. So that is actually a subtraction problem. 8 minus 7 is 1, 4 minus 5, and 24 minus 5 is 19. So we actually get 19.1. Number 15. -25 minus 18.4. This, they're both negatives. So that means it's actually an addition problem, 25 plus 18.4, all in the negative direction. So 0.0, so 0 plus 4 is 4, and 25 plus 18 is 43, 43.4. So the answer is -43.4. And that might be good to think about beforehand. If you have a debt of $25 and you add to it, you lose another almost $20, yeah, you're down at like -40 something. And that's where we are here with number 15. All right, number 16. Rick went bungee jumping. So he starts up here. After jumping off the bridge, he fell. It's a -83 feet. Okay. Then the bungee cord pulled him back up. On the first recoil, he ascended 42 feet. So he went plus 42. Oops, plus 42, okay, to this height before he started to fall again. Through all the rest of the bouncing, he finally came to rest 14 feet lower than this. So this is down. That's a -14. So we have -83 plus 42 minus 14. And let's see what that ends up being. So -83 plus 42, these two are opposite signs. Yeah, you can see that. They subtract away from each other, and we get a -41. So this is 41 feet below, and then he fell another 14 feet below that, which is -54. Not 54, 55. Now notice these two are both negative, so that's an addition problem, 41 plus 14, 55 feet. So how far from the bridge did he come to rest? -55 feet, which means he was 55 feet below the bridge when he came to rest. Oh, good question. All right, last one. The string of a kite is caught in a tree. So here we have a tree. There's 15 feet of string below So here's the string down to this poor little kid, lost his kite, and that's 15 feet. And it's below, so that's considered a negative 15 feet. And up where the kite is, 37 feet. So there's a positive 37. And officially, to find the total distance, you would take 37 and you would subtract to find distance. 37 minus a minus 15. Most of you can just see, hey, if there's 37 feet here and 15 feet down below, that's just a 37 plus 15 to get the answer. And yes, they are the exact same thing. So that would be 52. 52 total feet of string up to the kite. Excellent.